Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to change ink levels on HP Smart Scan app. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your HP Smart app, and once you are inside your HP Smart app, what you need to do is log into your HP account. And once you do that, here if you haven't added your printer, what you need to do is simply tap on this add your first printer, and then you'll be provided with these two options. Simply select the one that is preferable for you and add your printer. Now once you have added your printer, what you need to do in order to check your table is simply tap on print documents or print photos. Simply tap on continue, and let me just select two photos, and then on the top bar simply tap on next. And once you are here, you'll be getting something like this on your screen. Now in order to check your ink levels of your printer, simply tap on this print preview right here, and once you tap on print preview, if you have already added your printer, then your printer name will be shown right here. Simply tap on choose your printer or your name, and here the details about your printer and the ink level will be displayed right here. So that's basically how you can do it, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching, bye bye.